Okay, Speedy's down. Took 2. Come on, April. Bright sunny morning. We're here at Fluffy's. Her water dish has been refilled with fresh water. And she greeted us as we were making our way here, about halfway between the southern site and her area. That's where she met up with us. Have not seen Lucifer and have not seen or heard Tabby. Just about all your treats, yeah. We have some of Whispering Hills Ranch's horses on the eastern hillside this morning. They were trotting until I turned on my camera. How they know, I don't know.
That is an acorn woodpecker. And on top of the cross at Calvary Assembly, the dark morph male red-tailed hawk.
Hey, Holly's here at the Lutheran Church this morning on our return trip. It's okay, Collie, you can go. He's moved away. There, yeah, there we go. There we go. She's here today. Nice to see her, but I had no activity to video at the park. Jay had something, but Woodpecker, but I didn't. Gives us a little more activity for our walk video today. Okay, she's enjoying her treats. We had to call for Fluffy, and she finally showed up. She's not really dashing over. What's up? What's the matter?
Full tummy.
Yeah. Fluffy, come here. Come on, baby. That's a girl. Yeah, there we go.
Tabby's over here.
Okay. And Tabby did show up, though right now I can't see her face because it's in a plate, treats on it. Yeah, she's here this morning. Speedy's down. Oh, come on, Speedy. Oh my gosh, he's looking for more. Okay. He's gonna eat both. Come on, April. Come on, April. April, there's still one over there. Go get it. April. Go get it. It's April eating the freeze-dried mealworms.